Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to trick Windows security into thinking a video from Discord has a virus. And it also works with images. Useful to scare your friends in Discord into thinking that they downloaded the virus, just by watching a video or looking at an image. Don't worry, this is not a virus, it's merely a video. It can't do anything to you or your friends' devices, because a video simply can't give you a virus. That's not how they work. And the same goes with images. With that out of the way, let's get started. First things first, we need these two files inside of the zip folder. Link in the description. By the way, don't forget to thank TrollGaming for sharing the files with us. If you don't know, he's the guy that also made the bat file from my last tutorial on how to make a Discord crasher. Many thanks to him. So where were we? Ah yes, try to download this. Download. At least try to, because Windows won't allow us. Yep, we will have to disable Windows security to get them. How do I disable it? Well, you click in the notification that just appeared. If you couldn't click on the notification in time because you're too slow, don't worry. You come here down in the taskbar and click on this icon, Windows Security. It's a shield. You click on it, Virus and Threat Protection, Virus and Threat Protection Settings, Manage Settings, Real Type Protection, Off, yes. And I think that's it. Virus protection is turned off. Let's see if now I can download the zip folder. Download, yes, download. And yes, it worked. Here it is. Now you just extract it. And inside of the folder, here we got the two files. Now that we have the two files, we need an image or a video of your choice. Here's mine.
It's returned.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Pretty cool, right? Now, I recommend a crasher video. Why? Because after you inject the virus into the video and upload it to Discord, not only anyone that sees the video will have their Discord restarted, crashed in this case, but Windows will also alert of a virus, amplifying the scary effect. So you move the file to the folder and run this bat file. Windows protect your PC, don't worry, run anyway. Alright, do what it says, write the file name, and let me emphasize this. Type the exact full name of your file. In my case, including the dot and the extension name. By the way, if you can't see the file extensions, like me right here, you go to View, Show Hide, and check this box where it says File Name Extensions. Boom, done. Now you can. Mine in this case is hello.webm. Don't forget about this part. And now write the file name. Virus. And don't forget to also type the same extension name as your original video or file. In my case, it's .webm. Press enter, and boom, here's the output.
It's returned.
It's the same video, but now supposedly it has a virus in it. A virus, not a virus, you get it, I explained in the beginning of the video. Now let's see if it works. Let's upload it to Discord. Here's Discord, here's the file, And now, to see if it really works, let's enable Windows Defender again. Yeah. Boom. It's enabled, I think. Let's see. Oh, someone sent me a notification. Let's see what it is. Ooh, a video. I wonder what it is.
It's returned.
Oh no, what? A virus?
Your computer has virus.
No way. What? Did I just get a virus? As you saw, it worked. You can also make this with images. I don't think you can make it with GIFs, but don't quote me on that. Maybe you can, I don't know. But yeah, it worked. Again, don't forget to thank TrollGaming for giving us the bat file, because without him, the process would be a bit harder. It would be harder. He made the bat file to make things easier for us. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like and sub. Comment if you have more questions. And I will see you next time. Peace.